Good morning, everyone. And our project is generating a code and optimizing it using AI. And we are using Streamlit here. Streamlit is nothing but instead of using a normal web page creation using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Flask, or anything else, we are just using the Python language for the whole web page designing. We are just designing a whole web page using simple Python languages. So for that we are using Streamlit, and Google Generative AI is nothing but the package used for importing the AI in the project. So we are using the Google API key here, and this is our API key, and we are calling it here. And then the set page config. We are setting the page. Initially we are setting the page as page title of the page icon, and then the initial sidebar status, either it should be expanded or it should be closed. So we are defining a function local css, and we are marking that the local css is all this, and then we are calling that outside the function. And then in Gemini response, this is a function. It gets the user input language and the target language and the API key and the mode. So API key is that the API key we got. We are configuring the GenAI with the API key, and then if the mode is generate or optimize, based on that we are first initially setting the prompt for that AI. If it is generate, we are prompting the AI that it is a code generator for the particular language, and it should give the code in a proper way, in an well explained and commented code explanations. So if it is in optimized mode, then it should optimize the given code for a particular language. So we are setting the prompt initially, and then we are using defining the model. Now we are using Gemini 2.5, and the system instruction is system prompt. The prompt we have set here based on the mode is set in the model. We are defining the model and the system instruction here. Then we are using the generate content, responses generate content, and we are returning it. Then the sidebar is nothing but we are defining the instruction how to use this AI or how to use this web page. So we are discussing that for just an instruction or information to the user. We are displaying that how to use, and these are the 6 steps to use it. And then we are having the in the user main page, we are having the mode as radio button, generate or optimize. Based on the mode, um, the text box or other options will display. If it is generate, the user should input and select the output language, and generate button is displayed. Button label is generate. And if it is optimize code, the user should give the input and the input language and output language. Both it should be selected, and the button label is named as optimize code. It is changed based on the mode selected dynamically. And these on clicking the button, these are the functions it it runs behind, and if there is any error, it will display what error, and then if no error, it displays each columns. That the columns are the targeted language. If we select only Python, a single column is displayed. If we select more than one languages, multiple columns are displayed. So that is that. And based on the selected mode, it is displayed. From the response function, we have got the output, and then it is displayed in the UI, and it also gives the download button for each code, and that's all. And for Streamlit, for normal Python app.py is enough for running that. For Streamlit, we need to command streamlit run app.py for running a Streamlit code. And then this is our this is our UI, and this is our I told the sidebar has just the instructions for using this. And generate code, first we are defining the bubble, asking for bubble sort code. So we are selecting Python language and generate code. It generates the code. So it displays only a single column of Python code and explanation and download generate code option. So this is generate option, and if we select optimize option, we are pasting that function and selecting the input language, and we want a Java code for this also in optimized way. So we select and optimize code. It provides two columns of Python code and Java code. Yes, it provides a simpler Python code for optimized code for the bubble sort, and the Java optimized code for the bubble sort, and it also both has explanation and download optimized code. That's all. Thank you.